Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. Today is Friday, August the 12th, and I am running the AutoRipper Pro Reloaded 3 contracts. So today was a much better morning for me. I waited a little while for things to kind of settle down. I looked for my usual setup, and finally it hit. As you see on screen, it finally got that first trade. As the trades progressed, there was one trade, I think it was the one right after this, that it had the market turned and DRAM engaged. So I was down for a little bit and then picked up some nice winners after that. So finally, 7 minutes of trading, I compressed it down to 4. So it is sped up, but just a little bit, not a whole lot. But I'd like to keep my videos about 4 or 5 minutes, and that's why I tend to speed them up a little bit, just for easier viewing. I find that anything longer than 5 minutes, I tend to lose people. So just want to keep those pretty short. So gosh, it was a tough week of trading. Today was a little better, but man, it was tough. One of my viewers mentioned that maybe it's because of the summer months. I've heard that before, and maybe that's it. That's just what we get, and hopefully as we start getting closer to September, things will go back to quote unquote normal, where we have bigger swings in the market. That's where I find I'm the most profitable. When things are just kind of barely moving, it's kind of hard to know where the market's going. Not a lot of momentum, so I prefer when the markets are moving, and that seems to work the best for my type of trading. So I haven't done a Q&A video in a little while, so I'm going to work on that this weekend and get it posted. I am getting questions on can you start from the basics, right? Some people ask, should I get automation first? Do I need to get NinjaTrader first? And so on and so forth. It's kind of like which comes first, the chicken or the egg kind of thing. So I think I'm going to do just a QA and just talk about very, very basics. Obviously, if you just want to trade, you can just get yourself a NinjaTrader download, sign up with a small brokerage account, and start trading manually. If you're looking for automation, obviously that would be the next step. But I'll talk about the way I've got my system set up. I use a virtual private server, which I've talked about before. I'll talk about that and kind of take you through a sequence. If you follow my route, then this is the way I would recommend. So I'll walk you through each step. I use Apex Trader accounts, as you know, for my trading. I'll talk about that as well. I'll switch over to the Apex website, just walk you through some of the basics, fee structure, payout structure, how to get paid, things like that, and just make it easier. That way you have a for the newbies, because I did get an email from a newbie that wanted to know some of those basics. So I think it's time. A lot of times I'll talk about in my videos, I'll talk about, like I said, like a virtual private server. I'll talk about DRAM and all these other things. And I think I'm losing some people because, any new subscriber isn't going to know what all that means. So I'm going to do a QA video this weekend. Again, geared for the new viewers that are looking to get started. So with that, have a great weekend and be on the lookout for the Q&A video. Take care now. Bye.